In this video, we aim to demonstrate the difference between the connect command and the branch command.
We begin with Panel 1, Circuit L1. This panel contains 8 smoke detectors located throughout the building. Using the connect command, we'll highlight the detectors that are not yet connected in green. We'll connect them in the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All 8 detectors have now been connected using the connect command and are numbered accordingly. When we draw the circuit wire path from the FireCAD Tools ribbon, the pathway of the connections follows the sequence we used when connecting the devices. Each wire path consists of one pair of A wires. They continue from the end of the first 4 connections down to the beginning of the second 4 connections, forming a single pair of wires following the connection sequence. To illustrate this, let's switch to this detail drawing. Here we can see the 8 detectors wired in sequence, with 2 wires entering and leaving each detector until we reach the end of the sequence. Now, let's switch to another fire alarm system placed on the drawing and use the branch command to highlight the difference. We'll set the active circuit from device and choose SLC circuit number L1 from panel 2. We'll first use the connect command to connect the first 4 smoke detectors, numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. For the second group of 4 detectors, we'll use the branch command. The program prompts us to select a device already connected on L1 to branch from. We'll branch from detector number 1, and the unconnected detectors become highlighted, allowing us to connect them to the branch beginning at detector 1. We'll now connect detectors 5, 6, 7, and 8. Although the address numbering goes from 1 through 8, similar to the connect command, the circuit wire path differs. It goes directly from detectors 1, 2, 3, and 4 without continuing to detectors 5, 6, 7, and 8. Instead, we branch from the detector number 1 to detectors 5, 6, 7, and 8. Examining the detailed drawing of this type of connection, sectors, we can see detectors 1 through 4 and the branched connection from detector 1 to detectors 5 through 8. All connections use 2 wires. The difference lies at detector number 1, where we have a connection sequence going from 1 through detector 4Rs, and a branch sequence also known as a T-tap. At the terminals in detector number 1, she's branching up and connecting to detectors 5 to 8.